The most important landmark of Bharmor is the Chaurasi temple, which is not only ancient but also is a part of the Hindu culture from the eons in the past. Chaurasi temple is situated on a level area on which there are 84 temples which were attributed to the 84 Siddhas who are believed to have meditated in Bharmor over 100 years and were supposed to have come from Kurukshetra while on their visit to Mani Mahesh Kailas. The most extraordinary temple of the complex is the tallest temple of Mani Mahesh, which is built in the Shikhara style of architecture. The other temples of the same style are dedicated to Lord Vishnu in his nursing avatar, along with many other smaller temples dedicated to many gods and goddesses. Bharmor was known as Brahmapura during the ancient times, and its history can be traced back to the 6th and 10th century BC, and at that time it was the capital of the princely state of Chamba. The renowned temples Chaurasi are shrouded in many legacies, one being that it was occupied by Lord Shiva and his 24 Siddhas or disciples who stayed back, whereas Lord Shiva reached Mani Mahesh on his own, and all these 84 Siddhas turned into stone lingams to be worshipped in future. And Lord Shiva, for his transgression into the domain of the deity Brahmani Mata, had granted her a boon that the those pilgrims intending to visit Mani Mahesh would take a holy dip in the Gauri Kund in front of the Brahmani Mata temple. However, there is another legend which states that during the 10th century AD, 84 Siddhas or holy men visited Burma. They blessed the ruler Raja Ravi Varman with 10 sons and a daughter Champavati, after whom the town of Chamba was named. The Raja had, as a remainder of the visit, commemorated by construction of 84 temples at this site. These include the famous Lakhna Devi temple, which is built totally out of wood and is considered as one of the oldest remaining wooden temples in northern India, although the time has taken an toll on it. There is separate detailed coverage of this Lakhna Devi temple ahead. Apart from these temple, the other temples are dedicated to Lord Ganesh. The Mani Mahesh temple being the largest. Of the same style is the temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu and his nursing avatar, Ma Lakhna Devi temple, Ma Shitla temple, Ma Chamunda temple, Hanuman temple, Kartik temple, Dharmeshwar Mahadev temple, Nandi temple, Jai Kishan Ganji temple, Rameshwar Mahadev, Vijleshwar Mahadev, Moling Mahadev, Suryaling Mahadev, Gyardhara Mahadev. All these temples belong to Lord Shiva. There is a holy Ganga pond used for bathing on occasion of Janmashtami. This complex is not only ancient but also rich in the cultural heritage of the Gaddi tribesmen who live in this area, and their main occupation is herding of sheep. This wooden structure of Lakhna Devi is an extraordinary example of the craftsmanship of the ancient people of this region and shows the connectivity between various styles present and prevalent all over India in construction of temples, thereby establishing the fact that all the regions of India were interconnected in some way, either through the artisans or through the kings or otherwise. Hope this video helps you in finalizing a trip to the region. Thank you.